let's talk about building compost piles with a tractor, and these are called windrows. When you use a tractor, you are able to have more of a uniform product that comes out, and the amount of time that it takes you to make your windrows or compost piles is much shorter than doing it by hand, obviously. The disadvantage, of course, is that you do need much more space, and you will need to use gasoline and other kinds of fossil fuels to build your compost pile. How you construct them is by going with your bucket of your tractor and scooping one scoop of the material and depositing it, then going to the other pile that is part of your recipe and scooping that up with the bucket of your tractor and putting that on top of or next to the pile. And so what you do is you're progressively moving out as you're building this pile. Some of you may actually have tractors that can equip themselves with windrow turners or other attachments that can go onto the front of your buckets that work even further to mechanically turn the windrow.
We just got this compost turner from Marney and Lisa about 1.5 years ago, and it's been really indispensable in just stepping up our production, our speed for producing and turning compost. It's given us just a far higher quality product that's just more uniform. And we've really seen incredible soil improvements over the time that we've been growing here. And that's something that we take immense pride in.